started off as a hobby, painting on the weekends when I had a bit of spare time. In 1994 I went to an art exhibition in Cheltenham which certainly changed my life because it opened it up to a whole new level for me, and I suddenly thought to myself, wouldn't that be a really nice way to make a living? And over the next 6 years then, on a part-time basis, I was slowly building up enough confidence to exhibit and show my work. I finally took the plunge from having a hobby into having an art as a career.
It started as Friday Night Circus Club, and we target kind of different areas. Then my funding came to an end, so I had to make that kind of leap of faith. What enabled me to make that leap of faith was the fact that Youth Service had come forward and gone, we like what you're doing here, can you come and do this in other communities? And then I started to think my hobby is now going to become something that's quite viable from the amount of contracts that we were starting to secure.
Fel lot o bobl sy'n mynd i fusnes, mae hwn datblygu diddordeb neu hobi yn fusnes. A mae'n beth da, achos dwi'n meddwl fod rhaid i ti fod yn angerddol efo beth ti'n neud ac yn credu, achos sac ti'n credu yn angerddol yna, dwi'n gweld fod rhywun yn mynd trwy'r cyfnodau anodd mae bob busnes yn ei wynebu yn gyson. Trio trialu fo'r lefel bach fel fod rhywun ddim yn cymryd gormod o risg. Enghraifft yn y maes bwyd, mae bosib wrach mynychu ffair un diwrnod efo'r cynnyrch a gweld os di bobl yn ei hoffi fo.
Wrth rhedeg busnes, rydych chi'n dod dros misoedd anodd, lle mae lot o stres. Ond dyna beth yw busnes, yn enwedig dros y cwbl o flynyddoedd gynta wrth i chi datblygu fe. Ond ni ddim wedi dod mewn i busnes i cael amser hawdd, mae'n wastad wedi bod yn challenge, a dyna beth sydd yn annog chi cario ymlaen wrth i chi fynd trwy'r challenge yna.
Mae gweithio i darged amser neu deadline yn rhywbeth dwi'n mwynhau wneud, ond jyst fi di hwnnw fel person, a mae lot o bobl rhaid fath o fi. Ond dwi'n nabod lot o bobl sy'n casau gweithio i deadline. Mae dibynnu sy'n fath o berson wyt ti.
You have to have a little bit of discipline, and that comes with time. But also, there's a lot of freedom involved in your business, and you can run your business how you want to. You can be the boss.
Byddai'n annog unrhyw person ifanc sydd yn meddwl bod nhw'n gallu troi hobi mewn i syniad busnes i fynd amdana. Fel fi, nes i cymryd risg pryd o'n i'n 19, o'n i'n lwcus bod wedi bod yn llwyddiant hyd at nawr, ond does dim pob syniad yn llwyddo, falle bydd rhaid i chi ffili cwbl o weithiau'n gynta.
Sut nes i dyfu fy busnes? Wel, swn i'n licio dweud bod o'n rei strategol, ond dydy o ddim rili. Mae wedi bod yn fater o dod ar draws cyfleon. A mae yna gyfleon wastad, wrach dim gymaint mewn ardal wledig i gymryd ardal drefol, ond mae yna gyfleon a trio bod yn barod i gymryd y cyfleon yna. Hefyd, mod eisiau elfen o look a bod yn y lle iawn ar yr adag iawn i dyfu busnes, a yn anffodus fi wedi ddim rheoli hynny, ond fe wedi rheoli di fod chdi'n gallu gweld y cyfleon.
When I started Organised Chaos, I didn't have that much support to begin with, and it took me a long time to research it and understand it. Whereas now, especially with young people, with big ideas ways, the support is out there and they can be signposted towards developing their hobby into a viable business.